Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super feature of the Canva. It's called a copy style. So this allows you to copy a page style to the next page. You can just copy the colors and text effect of fonts and what are the customization done on the page easily by using a copy style option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to copy and paste the style on your Canva, I just going to show in this video. For an example, here the background color and the circle and also the shapes color has been different. So I just need to copy paste this first. So you just need to do this. First, select the thing you just need to copy. Just click on right click here and you have this option called copy style, and you can just paste wherever you just need it. I just going to paste here, and for an example, the color has been copied. You can also do with this like copying the font also, that it will change the font style also. So if you just need to copy the whole style, you just need to click on the thumbnail view first, and it's called page style. We can just copy the page style. Right click here and you have this option called copy page style. So it's actually a pro version option feature. You can just copy the whole color and will apply to this particular template. This is how you just copy the scale to the page on your Canva. If you're a pro user, it's definitely for you. And the non-pro user also can copy, but you just need to copy one by one. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.